Hey guys, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video. So in today's video, I'm basically going to be showing you a very natural and yet very simple way to get rid of all unwanted hair. Okay, hold on. We ladies, yeah, there are some places that of course we do not actually want hair to be there. No way, no way. And if you're actually experiencing such hair in those unwanted places and you just want to get rid of it, and you want something that the result will actually last for you for a longer time, I've got a solution for you, because this that I'm going to be showing you is a great solution that would help you to get rid of all of your unwanted hair. And the most important thing here is that your hair is not going to grow back really fast as it would have been if you use the regular hair removal product. Okay, so this is quite amazing and it's quite simple, easy to apply, and also very good and very natural too, affordable also. All right, so let me take you right into this video so you could see all of the amazing ingredients, how I'm gonna be mixing that up, and I'll of course also applying it on my skin, and how this is going to be working out on my skin. Okay, let me take you right in. So guys, an amazing and very easy way to get rid of your all unwanted hair, even without a lot of stress. Very natural, and the most important thing here is that it's going to actually delay the growth of your newer hair. Okay, so the very first ingredient, which is very important for this, is tomato. Now tomato is a great ingredient that contains a lot of vitamin E that helps to nourish up the skin and keep the skin youthful, and it also helps to remove unwanted hair, close the large and open pores, and it's basically helps to even out the skin. So when you're talking about tomato, you are also talking about removing all of your unwanted hair. So two ways to actually achieve this. The very first way is to create it, and the second way is to blend it. So I've actually decided to create it, so I'm going to be creating my tomato. You can also blend it, guys. Alright, so I didn't actually put in the skin because we actually do not even need the skin in this particular treatment. So I'm going to be saving it out because we also do not need the seed. Alright, so here we go. Smooth paste. That's basically what we wanted for this hair removal. Alright, so the next ingredient, which is very important and well needed here, is sugar. You guys, if you can actually place your hand on brown sugar, you are good to go. But however, if you cannot place your hand on brown sugar, you can also use white sugar. Now white sugar contains a whole lot of ingredients that helps so much. When combining with tomato, it will help to remove your unwanted hair and also help to smoothen out your skin, and it also helps to reduce the size of pores and basically keep your skin smooth and healthy. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting about 2 tablespoons of 2 or 3 tablespoons of my sugar into this, and basically give it a little stir. Alright, so the more I stir, the more it's gonna loosen up, so I do not actually want to stir it too much. So the very next ingredient is gonna be baking soda, which is bicarbonate of soda. Now baking soda is great because it helps to smoothen out the skin, it helps to remove dead skin cells, and it also helps to reduce the growth of hair on the skin. So we're gonna be putting in our baking soda. So we're gonna mix, and here we go. So the next ingredient, which is very needed here, is rice. Okay, this is rice powder. You can actually grab some of your rice in your kitchen, you know, put it into a blender, blend it into a fine paste just like this, and then there you go. Okay, so I'm basically going to be taking in about 1 tablespoon of my rice powder. Now if you can't get your rice powder, you can actually get your rice paste. So it therefore means that you can actually grab some rice, boil it, and then you blend it, so you have gotten a paste out of your rice. Okay, so we'll mix everything all up. And here you go, guys, your hair removal remedy is ready. Okay, so this would help you remove all of your unwanted hair. Do endeavor to apply this only on the parts in which you do not actually want hair anymore, like maybe your hands, your leg, your chest, and for female, your chin. Okay, if you're actually having hair, and especially your upper lip and lower lip. So you basically apply this like this in your hands. Or you can apply it at your upper lip. Okay, for those people who have hair, for the ladies that actually have hair on their faces, you can apply this on your face. Okay, so what you're going to do here is that you're going to make this treatment, and then you're going to actually store it. And what you're going to do, you're going to apply this treatment, this hair removal natural treatment, for 3 consecutive days. Okay, 3 days. And the good part of this is that it's going to help so much in removing all of your unwanted hair, and it's going to delay the growth of a new hair. So what it does is that when it goes into your follicles, it will melt the hair. Okay, for 3 days the hair would completely melt away, and then it's going to actually shrink the hair follicles that is actually responsible in bringing out new hair. So the more you apply this, the more you shrink the follicles that is responsible in bringing more hair. And before you know it, guys, you're not going to be experiencing so much hair in those places. So that's actually the good part of this. Is unlike other hair removal treatments that you would use and then your hair will still come out. Sometimes your hair might come out in white color, so you don't actually want to experience that. So what you're gonna do is to apply this for 3 days, and after 3 days, well, from the first day the hair will be melting, the second day the hair will be disappearing, the third day you're not going to be seeing the hair on your skin no more. Okay, so that's how this particular ingredient works. And yeah, it actually, the treatment itself, when you apply it, you're going to be noticing how soft it is. So that's how it's going to be softening your hair on your skin. So that's why you must apply this only on those places where you do not actually want hair anymore. Okay, so you store this for 3 days, and after 3 days your hair is completely gone, and not as if it's not going to come back, but it's going to be disappearing little by little. Like your hair follicles are going to be shrinking little by little. Okay guys, so that is it. That is an amazing ingredient that helps so much, and it works so well. It helps so much to remove all unwanted hair, and it actually helps to also glow your skin. And there are some products that I put in there, some ingredient that I put in there that's going to actually help to glow your skin also. So you basically have all of this goodness in just one treatment, and this is amazing. This is really good, and I'm sure you're gonna be loving it. All right guys, so I'll see you again in my next video, and do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. And bye guys.